warmly welcomed in this today's video, where we are back with the details of one another amazing concept, which is 100% decentralized metaverse plus Web 3.0 platform. So here if we directly talk about this amazing system, so this is Meta Tiger and its official website is meta-tiger.space. So in this today's video, we are going to take all the necessary details related to this amazing platform of Meta Tiger, as well as we are going to discuss the benefits and incomes which you can take from here. So here first of all, if we talk about the complete profile details, so the concept of Meta Tiger is launched in Malaysia, which has 5 founders, and the system is built on Polygon blockchain. And as I already informed you, this is 100% decentralized concept. Moving ahead, if we talk about some wallet details, so here your wallet must have Matic coins for gas fees and DAI coin for activation. What is DAI and all its details we are going to take ahead in this video, but before that let me inform you that the value of one DAI coin is counted as $1. I need to inform you here that on 10th of August 2022, the most special Super Auto S30 program will be launched. So friends, after taking the profile introduction details, if we talk about the term decentralization or what does it mean, so decentralized marketing is created with an automated contract that offers you maximum security and sustainability. Here, a smart contract is an automatic execution algorithm. It exists within the Polygon blockchain. Moving ahead, if we talk about the term DAI or the DAI stablecoin, so DAI is an algorithmic stablecoin issued by MakerDAO, an Ethereum-based protocol. But now, DAI is available in multiple networks and blockchains that seeks to maintain an exact ratio of 1:1 with the US dollar. Moving ahead, we are going to gather all the details of the marketing system and we are going to understand the complete explanation of this one. Here, first of all, if we talk about the registration of Meta Tiger, so here you can register yourself in Meta Tiger, where with only 3 DAI you can open first level of the S6 program. Now here total 6 placements are there, out of which the first 2 sales will go instantly to your upline, crossline and the downline. After that, the 3rd, 4th and 5th sales will goes instantly to your wallet, and the remaining 6th sale will go to your upline and reopens the matrix for you. So friends, likewise, in the Meta Tiger Auto S6 program, you can get 300% of profit again and again with the unlimited recycles. So with this easy concept, you can register yourself successfully with this amazing platform. After that, moving ahead, we are going to discuss the complete benefits and the incomes which you can take from here. So friends, here now if we directly talk about the complete Auto S6 auto upgrade mechanism, so here with your registration, 2 people are placed under you, from which the 100% of income of the second person will be provided to your upline. But from the third person, 100% of income will be provided to you. Now, from the person 4 and person 5, your level 2 will be upgraded so that you will get the income from level 2 as well. Then, from the income of level 6, your again first level will be recycled so that you can get the income of both level 1 and level 2 as well. And friends, the level 2 which you have upgraded for is of 6 DAI, that is of $6. So friends, likewise with this facility of recycle, you can take this income again and again. And as you have upgraded for the $6, that is for level 2. After that, for the next level you can upgrade with 12 DAI, then for the next level with 24 DAI, and likewise you can upgrade to complete 12 levels, where the upgrade of the last 12 level will be done with 6,144 DAI or $6,144. So friends, likewise you can also get the income from all 12 levels with the facility of recycle, and also you can take the benefit of the auto upgrade system. Here you will get 100% payout in your wallet, which is one very important and beneficial concept for you. So friends, now the screen is displaying the complete explanation of the Auto S6 program as well as the total amount which you need to upgrade for 12 levels, and the net revenue which you can earn from Auto S6 from complete 12 levels. So here first of all, in the Auto S6 levels, you need to upgrade with total $12,285, with which you can upgrade for all 12 levels. But as I have already informed you, you can get the opportunity to earn 300% of profit, that is 3 times than your upgraded amount. So here you can get a total net revenue of $36,855, which is only from one cycle. So this is one very big amount which you can earn with the completion of only one cycle. So with that only you can imagine the amount which you can complete or which you can achieve ahead. So friends, after moving ahead, we are going to discuss one of the most important, rarest and the unique income which you can take from here, which is the program of Super Auto S30. So as I have informed you, this is one of the most unique income which you can take from here, and the concept is providing you with a total of 980% of profit, which is one very amazing benefit for you. So here we are going to understand the complete concept, that how you can earn this much big amount and what are the procedures for that. So friends, basically you can start here with only 5 DAI or only with $5. Now here there will be total 30 places on 4 lines. So here on the first line there will be 2 places, then 4 places in the second line, 8 places in the third and 16 places in the fourth line. Now here you will get support from your uplines, and in the following way we are going to discuss the complete partner support. So first of all, here in first line you will get the spillovers from the fourth upline. In the second line you will get the spillovers from the third upline. In third line you will get the spillovers from the second uplines invited by you. Then you will get the spillovers from cross line. After that you will get the spillovers from above up to global uplines. And at last the spillovers comes from the down. So likewise, here after understanding the concept, the rough concept, if we directly talk about the complete income which you can get from here. So as I have already informed you, you can start here with only $5, where you can get a total of 980% of profit again and again. So if we understand this complete concept, so from the first upline, you will get 10% from each of the 2 places from first line, that is the total of 20%. Then secondly, from the second line, you get 15% from each of the 4 places from second line, which will be the total of 60%. After that, from the third line, you get 25% from each of the 8 places from the second line, which will be a total of 200%. And at last, from the fourth line, you get 50% from each of the 8 places from second line, that will be a total of 700%. So likewise, the last 2 payments from the fourth line will be 50% plus 50%, that is complete 100%, and this is used for repeat cycle, that is for recycling the complete level. Then after that, in MetaTiger Auto S30 program, as I have already informed you, you can get 980% of profit again and again with the unlimited recycle as mentioned in the diagram and as explained by me. Now here, by moving ahead, if we talk about the complete Auto S30 auto upgrade mechanism, so here all the levels in the fourth line of $30 matrix, that is the second, third, fourth and fifth sale of each, 50% total will be taken, that will be a 200%, which goes to the auto upgrade of next level. And again with this upgrade, you can get again 10 times of amazing profit, that is a total of 980%. Now here, after understanding the concept of Auto S30 auto upgrade, let us again discuss this in detail. So as the screen is displaying the complete level information, so as you can see, in the very first level you have entered yourself with $5. After that, with the 4 IDs of you will upgrade to the second level of $10. Then the next upgrade will be done with $20. After that with $40. And likewise, again you can upgrade up to complete 12 levels, where the upgrade amount of 12th level will be of $10,240. So likewise, again and again you can take the income from here as well, that is complete 10 times, and which is one very amazing profit for you. So again, if we talk about the Super Auto S30 program, the net revenue which you can get from here and the upgrade amount which you need to invest here. So here in the Auto S30 levels, you can upgrade the total of level 12s with only $20,475, but the net revenue which you will get from here will be a total of $2,655, which is just 10 times of your upgraded amount. So friends, likewise this is one very amazing income which you can take from only one cycle. So you can already imagine the amount which you can take from all the other cycle as well. So after taking the detail of the complete Auto 30 and Auto S6 program, if we talk about the roadmap of MetaTiger, so in step 1, MetaTiger will global launch Auto S6 program. In step 2, MetaTiger will launch the Super Auto S30 program. In step 3, MetaTiger will launch MT NFT token buy and sell and start with mini exchange. In step 4, MetaTiger will launch MT NFT royalty program, staking profits for MT NFT. In step 5, MetaTiger will launch MT NFT metaverse gaming. In step 6, MetaTiger will launch MT NFT listing start with the global exchanges. And in step 7, MetaTiger will launch own Web 3.0 metaverse blockchain. So friends, likewise these are the very grand projects of MetaTiger. Moving ahead, if we talk about like from where you can start this amazing journey, so here you can add your wallet Polygon Matic and DAI stable coin. Then you can use Trust Wallet, MetaMask or Token Pocket as per your choice. So likewise, this was the complete concept of 100% decentralized metaverse program space, the amazing MetaTiger, where if you also want to join and if you also want to achieve 10 times of benefit, then you can join here today itself. And also you can visit the official website, which is meta-tiger.space. Thank you.